Under Section 107 of the Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes, such as criticism, comment, news, reporting, teaching, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that may otherwise be infringing.
It's been a little, rough to say the least. I'm trying to request a continuance in the case of, Queen Bee because of the extensive damage. It's been very hard on me to do legal research without power. You guys know how many days I spent trying to clean the yard up, which was finally completed on October 6th, just for me to leave on October 7th and come back to my house being 10 times worse, or 100 times worse, because I've got like 5 different down trees in my backyard. I'm trying to stipulate and come to an agreement with her attorney, and her shyster attorney, once again, just wants to fight and make a judge a babysitter because he can't come to an agreement. So talk about crap people, just crap people all the way around. It's like, I don't wish this on anybody, and it's like at this point I do. I wish it on them. I wish they have to experience all of this for themselves, and maybe one day they will, and karma will bite them both in their ass. But either way, we'll get before a judge. I got to call the courthouse today and try to have the judge find 10 minutes, somewhere in a schedule that this shyster attorney will agree to, because he seems so busy when there's emergency. He wants me to always bow down to him, but whenever I ask him for something in good faith, he wants to fight me tooth and nail. But what do you expect from pieces of shit? Anyways, that's kind of where we are right now on that case. I don't know if I'm going to be there on November 15th. I've got a lot of repairs to do to the outside of the house. I've got a lot of cleanup to do to the outside of the house. I'm 100% responsible for that, and I can't be cited if it's not clean, and we are in a state of emergency. So I think the law will prevail here. They may adjust. I'm asking for 45 days. He might give me 30, which would be, any time would be welcomed at this point. But I did offer, what would the opposing counsel be agreeing to, because we've had 2 major hurricanes hit our area and destroy my community. We're still down about 60% of this county doesn't have power. I don't even know what the internet situation is, but people have power but no internet. So, it's just being very difficult. So that's kind of what I'm dealing with today, but we always deal with it with a smile, right? This too shall pass. We'll get through this, and I know that there's a ray of sunshine on the other side of this. If I look closer, I would help clean up